Hey guys, what's up? I just got this new travel pillow and thought I'd open it up for you and so we can take a look at it together. I travel all the time. I go to Europe a couple of times a year, so I do some really long flights. And I'm always taking budget flights, which means I'm often flying really early or really late and love to be able to sleep on the plane. So I'm always looking for something nice. Anyway, okay, let's take a look at what we have here. I like the way this wraps. And look at this. This feels really well made. Kind of like fairly heavy duty. And I love that I can just clip that onto my bag. So right off the bat, I'm kind of liking that. Feels sort of like memory foam. You can see this, like, look at that, that edging there. I forget what you call this. I can't think of the name. But anyway, that looks well made. Let's go ahead and peel this off. So we've got some Velcro here, and it looks like it can stick to anywhere on here, so you can pull that really tight, but even if you didn't have it pulled tight, you can still have it kind of like wound up. Looks like that's going to stick anywhere on there. All right, so let's open this up. We have the way that this kind of comes up higher here and then dips down. I believe this is where you'd probably generally kind of set your neck. I like the way that you can lean to the side on there, and probably can move it around so that you have the right height for you in the direction that you want to turn your neck or sleep. It looks like it is a bit thicker toward the sides, and that's probably just for neck support so that you can lay your head over. And then the Velcro is very simple. There's not like a lot of adjustments or snaps or anything you need to think about, because you can literally just pull it as tight as you want, which, okay, that's my thing. That's why I think I'm really going to like this, because I just like, have you ever had a neck pillow around your neck and it doesn't, like, my head doesn't lean over far enough to hit the sides of it. And so the ability, one, to put it as tight as I need, that's going to get it really up close next to my neck. And then also the fact that it kind of comes up on the sides is pretty cool. So, all right, let's try to rewrap it just to see. And I'll make another video later where I put this around my neck myself so that we can kind of see what that looks like tightening it. But that's about as small as I got that kind of on a first try. I would imagine I can get this a bit tighter. So it just takes a little more work when you want to get it like super small. But that was not too hard at all. Yeah, I'm really liking this. The materials seem nice. And just seems simple, straightforward, and I'm pretty stoked. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.